Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. It is my birthday today, so I wanted to make sure that I could get a pouring video done and do a nice painting here for you guys today. So I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas, and the colors that I am using today, very simple. Phthalo blue, got a metallic pink, and a phthalo blue light. All of my colors are either golden acrylics or Amsterdam, mixed only with distilled water. And my base is going to be just titanium white. Okay. So I'm gonna do two different puddles. So on the first one, so I kind of just want to blow that way. So we'll start from fairly down here. And we'll go blue. Pink. Pink. Then dark blue. And light blue. So much air in my white. Okay, so we're going to blow the white over top of the colors and then blow it out. Kind of messed up the bottom petal there, but that's okay. We can work with this. And now I chose these colors particularly, one, because I love blue. Sure lost the pink in here. Let's see, I'm going to torch and see if any of the pink comes out in that one, and if not, I may blow just a little bit to see if we can get a little bit more of that pink to come out. Just not sure about this though, because I'm seeing some of my paint is too thin and it is going to start breaking a little bit, so it may dry funny. I'm not sure. I don't know about this. I think we may end up having to do something else here. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't like it. moving quick because it's so thin and I don't want to overstretch it. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like the corners for sure. Oh yeah, I like this much better. Okay. Reminds me, I'm up in Canada, so we get obviously lots of snow. It reminds me almost of when you get a winter blizzard snowstorm when right at sunset, if you still can see the clouds. That almost, I don't know why, that's just what it's making me think of. Should get lots of cells. These colors love to play together. That phthalo blue is transparent, and the pink is opaque, and the white is opaque. Oh, look at those cells growing. They are really cool. And the whole paint breaking thing, I was expecting with these paints because even though I said in the beginning, and I need to correct myself now, I've been thinking about it, the pink is not actually Golden or Amsterdam. That is a different brand. That is Artist Loft. It's the one that's breaking. Same with the white. The white is also not my typical. I completely forgot that these cups were ones that I had mixed up previously. Grabbed the wrong cups. Obviously that's my fault, but that's okay because I kind of expected that this was, once I saw how it was acting in the Dutch pour, and I saw the breakage that was happening there, I knew doing this that there would be a little bit of breakage, especially if I over tilted it, because that would make it a lot worse. Now I managed to avoid too much of that happening, but the little bits that I do have are giving me a really cool effect that I'm actually okay with. In looking at it, looks really neat in here, like some of just these lines down here that I'll show you in the close-up, but I'm okay with it because it actually looks really neat and it just kind of fits with the whole composition and just how the piece turned out. So I like it. I'm really pleased with it actually. There is so many cool details in here. I love this section in here. It is really cool. Tons of cells, obviously. But yeah, no, I'm very pleased. I'm glad that I went with my gut there and just did a straight pour over top of the Dutch pour, and I really like how it turned out. Lots to look at. I'll take you down for a close-up. Okay, here we are just a minute later. And I love it. I'm very happy with my birthday pour. See, there's some of the breaking there, but that's okay. It looks really cool. I am very interested to see how this will dry. That was the part I was talking about, one of my favorite parts right up in there. I love that hint of pink through it. Well, as always, guys, I would love to hear what you think. Please leave me a comment below and make sure to subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you back on the next video. Have a great day, everybody.